staying in the Libido room here at the Inn at Europa Village in Temecula, California. This is the official room tour. This is what you are greeted with when you enter the room. King size bed, full-length mirror, lamps on each side. And you also have a corner chair with a lamp. Full-length mirror. And a desk. In the closet they do provide you with extra blankets, robes for the hot tub, and some storage space for your clothing for your stay here at the inn. The inn also does provide a gourmet breakfast, which is included with your stay. Sink, the toilet area, tub and shower combo. So guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Also up here in the right hand corner, or maybe over here in the left, up here somewhere, there's going to be the information. We will put some more videos from our journey here at Europa Village and the inn at Europa Village here in Temecula, California. Guys, thank you for watching so much. We truly appreciate it. Remember, enjoy life, make it an adventure.